Blender applying subdivision. So I received the following command: if this still works in version 4.0. So this is regarding how you can apply subdivision really fast by just pressing Ctrl 1, Ctrl 2 and so on. So let's take a look. I am within Blender 4.0.2. If I will select default cube and I will press Ctrl 2, we're gonna see how that will add the subdivision. I will also enable the screencast keys over here. So as you can see, Ctrl plus 2 will create that. And it will be the same for other meshes. Let's just create a monkey head. Again, I will select it, press Ctrl 2. If you're gonna take a look over here within the modifier, this will actually apply a subdivision level 2. So it will be the same, just like going over here, subdivision, surface, and level 2. So this is a nice trick. It will also work on imported models. For example, if I will import over here on STL, for example, over here I have a scanned hand. I will just make this smaller, so 0.01. I will move it over here. And if I will check the statistics for this one, we're gonna see that the number of vertices will be added over here. If I will select the hand and I will also enable the wireframe, we're gonna see this is a 3D scan STL, so will be triangle mesh, not quads. If I will select it, press Ctrl 1, we're gonna see how Blender will now apply that modifier. Since this is a, let's say, more dense mesh, this will take a little bit to process, but it should add that subdivision. Let's take a look. I see that we don't have that cursor showing us that preview, but as we can see over here, this is no longer responding. So yeah, Blender is working in the background. As we can see, this is currently not responding, but it should apply that subdivision. I only press Ctrl 1 because previously I also applied the level 2 and I saw that the computer managed to do that. But we see that now we're going to have this high amount of vertices, and again we're going to have that subdivision applied over here. So as we can see, this still works in version 4.02. If you are using this on an Apple, maybe you need to use the command key. I'm not sure if that is the problem or not. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.